Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey.
Okay, I got a kilo and they're very weak. Try it again.
Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey.
Is it a kilo, question mark 1 Alpha Tango?
QSL Kilo Charlie number 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey. Over.
Okay, Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey. You're 5 and 5, 55 QSL.
QSL, you are 5757 in Massachusetts. QSL.
QSL 57 Massachusetts, 73. Thank you very much for the contact.
Thank you for the activation. Happy holidays.
Thank you, appreciate it. You okay?
Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey.
Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey. Victor Echo 3, Papa Tango Alpha. You're 5959 into Victor Echo 1427.
QSL, you are also 59 in Massachusetts. 59 in Massachusetts. QSL.
QSL 59 in Massachusetts. Thank you very much.
Okay, 73. Bye-bye.
Thanks for activating. Thanks for chasing this today, 73. Kilo Bravo 3 Sierra, something come out? Kilo Bravo 3 Sierra Victor Tango. Kilo Bravo 3 Sierra Victor Tango, Chris 59 in the two parts, 0720 at 4577. QSL, I've got you about a 5-8 North Central Pennsylvania. Copy the 5-8 North Central Pennsylvania. Thanks for chasing us at 73. 73.
Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey.
Okay, I got a couple calls in there. Kilo Whiskey 4 Oscar coming in. All right, I'll show you 5-9 cents from the two parts. 0720 and 4577.
Yeah, this is a Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey. You are 5757 in Massachusetts. QSL.
I'll trade 5-7 with you, Don, into the two parts today. QSL.
QSL. Thank you very much. Happy New Year's. Bye-bye.